Marine mammal research at the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology is one of several projects and businesses, many of them in the high technology niche, that have attracted the attention of the U.S. Department of Defense.
Hawaii has an enormous number of high-tech companies, of companies that are utilizing the brain power that's out there in a way that is able to attract these highly competitive grants.
Congressman Abercrombie, chairman of the House Armed Services Subcommittee on Air and Land Forces, has secured more than $67 million in Defense Department funds for several projects like this one in Hawaii.
These are not awards because you happen to walk through the door. You have to convince the Defense Department in these instances that you're going to be able to produce for them. And Hawaii has been very, very successful in this. They get these grants as a result of competition with dozens and dozens of projects and proposals that come to and through the Defense Department every year.
The funding is part of the 2009 National Defense Authorization Act, the nation's defense budget for the next fiscal year. The House recently approved the measure, which includes another $553 million that Abercrombie was instrumental in securing for a number of military construction projects in Hawaii. Those construction funds would help to improve the readiness of U.S. military forces and boost economic activity in the islands. The funds going to local research and high-technology firms will help to strengthen national security.
And many of these activities, by the way, have a commercial side to them as well. So that if they get what's called dual-use technology, that's even better. And as I say, there's probably 10 or 15, I would say 15, more than a dozen companies right now in Hawaii that are able to compete with anybody in the nation for these kinds of grants.
Other projects will develop and install marine mammal detection systems on Navy aircraft. The systems would survey the Navy's ocean training areas before and during exercises so ships can avoid harming dolphins and whales with sonar equipment. Another project in Kaneohe Bay will research alternative energy derived from waves in the ocean. This project at the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology, based in Kaneohe Bay on the island of Oahu, will receive continued funding to test the effects of noise in the ocean, generated by oil exploration, sonar, and other sources on dolphins and whales.
So this is very, very important work. It's still a bit theoretical. It's certainly in the research and development stage, and I'm very pleased to be able to kind of take the lead on this so that we can get out of the courtroom and into the area of trying to resolve the issue once and for all.
Congressman Abercrombie says it's to be hoped, too, that all the projects and businesses that will receive funding will further grow Hawaii as a center for research and high technology development.